Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can adjust the vibration intensity on Android mobile phone, especially on Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Samsung Galaxy phone, and if you want to customize the vibration intensity, first of all we need to open up our settings application. I'm going to go to my settings application right here guys, and after we have opened the settings, we need to go to the sounds and vibration setting right here. Okay, and before I show you how we can adjust the vibration intensity, I'm going to show you how we can change the call vibration on our Samsung Galaxy phone. We just need to go to the call vibration, and here we will be able to choose the type of the call vibration we want to apply when we get a phone call. For example, I'm just going to select the basic call. Okay, and then I'm going to go back, and then we can also change the notification vibration. Okay, for the notification, I'm just going to select the heartbeat. Okay, then I'm going to show you how we can change the vibration intensity. Go to the vibration intensity, and here you'll be able to adjust the vibration intensity. You can go right to increase the intensity, then you can go up to decrease the intensity. Okay, and then I'm going to show you how we can change the system vibration. Just go to the system vibration right here, and then here you will be able to customize the system vibration intensity. Okay, just like this, you can play around the intensity right here. Then you can also customize the vibration feedback. For example, if you want to make your phone vibrate when you click on the keyboard, you can activate the Samsung keyboard vibration. And then if you want to make your phone vibrate when you touch the navigation gestures, you can activate the switcher navigation gestures. So anytime I press on my navigation bar, my phone will vibrate. Okay, that's so easy, right? Okay guys, and that's all the way to adjust vibration intensity on Android mobile phone, especially on Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.